Karen, aka StrawberriChan, and I'm back with another video. So a couple of weeks ago I made a start on my Yurio eater bag, and it didn't go completely as well as I wanted it to. So I've got it here, and I got some new charms. I got some new stuff. I had a good old troll on good old mosey around on old eBay, and I got some brilliant charms for actually not that bad of a price. So I'm going to show you what charms we're going to be putting on to finish it off. So I got quite a lot of badges. So I got this cute little keyring sort of thing, which I'm going to put on the zipper part because look at it, it's so cute. Yurio is like legit my favorite character in the Yuri on Ice franchise, because like I just love his sass, because I love his face on that one. That is legit me, like in life. This is like just done with everyone. And he likes cats, so I always like an anime character that likes cats. But yeah, I got loads of these badges, and they came in like loads in the packs. So they all came in these little packs, but I bought all. I think they came in like packs of 4, but like I think they were like a $5. So I can't remember. But yeah, I got these packs. I got these. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I also got this little thing here to put on the zipper part too. And I got. Hang on, where is he? I seen him. There he is. I also got another little thing to hook on to the badge. So what the problem was is because the fabric that I picked for my eater bag is very tough. I'm just going off by what I've seen on other channels and stuff, so I'm not an expert when it comes to stuff like this. So I'm going to finish it off, and I'm going to put this. I'm kind of not going with a pattern. I'm just going to try and see where I can work these in, and we'll see what it looks like all finished. So let's finish this off. Okay, so this is what my eater bag looks like at the minute. It's yeah, it's not finished. Some of the charms have turned over, like that one there's turned over. It's just all a bit jibber jabber, but yeah, that's what it looks like at the minute. I got my eater bag from Cutesy Kink, and yeah, so we're gonna add the final charms and see what it looks like. So first I'm just going to take out the inner of my eater bag. This is what my eater bag inner looks like. Basically, yeah, I have the big badge there, and I've got loads of little charms at the bottom, but I haven't got much going on everywhere else. So I think I'm going to basically just chalk this area, because this area won't be seen, so I'm going to try and really fill this area up. So most of the stuff I ordered is badges, so I think I'm gonna put this one is gonna be first. So I'm just gonna put this one on first. Sort of getting the gist of what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing this quite a lot with a lot of stuff. So the next one I'm going to put in is this one. Yeah, but I love this one. Just look at his face. It's so good. So, wait, little camera. Yeah. So this is the next one I'm going to put in. And then I'm going to take my next badge, which is this one, which is this really cute one of him with his cat, with a cat, because I love this one. It's so cute, look at him, small Ben. And I'm going to put this one here, so that's that, and then I'm gonna keep going, just gonna put more badges, and yeah, so you can see it's starting to look a little bit more fuller than like what it started out like. So the other next thing I'm gonna use is this badge, which is another one of him looking so adorable. So I'm gonna put him sort of near the big badge, because I think that's a pretty good like call to put it. got much left to put on. We've only got these 3 badges here, so I'm trying to think where I can put them. So I'm thinking about putting like that one there because there's already a little opening, and then I'm gonna put some here, that one here, and then I have these keychains to put on the other side. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that now. So I think I'm gonna use this one here. I'm going to put this one here. So there's that one. And then I'm going to put this one here. There we go. I mean, if the cardboard does go a little bit bendy, it's completely fine. You can just move it about. So that is pretty much it, I think. So I'm just gonna try and put this a bit front forward there. So that is it. So now I'm gonna put my new inner with more badges on. I'm gonna pop that in my eater bag and we'll see what it looks like. That is the eater bag inner now in my bag. So now I'm gonna finish off by adding the little chains and little things that I got for the zip. So so I'm gonna put this on, which is so cute. Look at it. I love Yurio. He's like my spirit animal. So I'm gonna pop this one on here, and then I have this little chain thing, this chain one, and I'm gonna try and hook this on to, I'm gonna try and hook it with the rest, with these two, which is a little life hack I have if you've got ones with a clipper, is if you've got a key ring one, just do that and then hook it in with that, and there you go. Ta-da! All done. So that is now the finished, oops. So that is now the finished zip part. So yeah. So now this is the finished bag that I have spent a month trying to make. This is my first eater bag that I've ever tried making, and I'm not too sure of what people think of it. I really like it. I think it's really nice. I don't know if I've got any more room for charms and stuff, but I think it's really cute. I love the big badge. I love the little charms that I've interlinked with the badges. It's so cute. I love it. I will probably try making another inner. I'll probably try making another inner, just not using this fabric because this fabric is a bitch. And I've also got the little things on the side. I got that. I've got the little keychain here, which is really cute. And I've got the little tiny Yuri there. But yeah guys, this is my first eater bag. Please tell me how I did. Did I suck? Did I do good for my first time? But yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. If you do like the video, please give it a like. That would be awesome. And if you do love it, please subscribe to me. Yes. And because we're nearly at 300 subscribers and there's a lot of interesting things coming your way on this channel. Yes. And yeah. And yeah, if you do and yeah, if you don't like this video, who are you? Why are you watching the video? Go eat Pocky and smile. So yeah guys, I will see you on the next video, which is coming out soon, so I'll see you in a bit.